Now what you'll do is when you look at that file, you'll go, hold on, it's got a green background. How do I get rid of the green background, right? It's a thing called Chromecast or Chrome key. I'm never quite sure what it's called, but open up whatever you're editing, right? So if I open up this video here of the video that you're watching, right? So this is the video you see, and I'm gonna drag and drop. This is on Screencast, so Screenflow. So how to do it on Screenflow is you put in your new subscribe button, and there's a big green box. All right, that's
decent.
Right. I'll just turn sound off so I don't keep playing it. So it's fine. I'm gonna put it round to where I want it to be. I want it to pop up there or wherever it want. But I need to get rid of that bottom back corner. Now on Screenflow, what I need to do is click the video icon here, then come down here to filters. So filters, video filters, I add a video filter, and the first option is chroma key. When I click that, the background clears, right? So now it's saying there's a green screen background. So when I replay this, up it'll pop. I've got sound off, it would be doing the bell and everything. And that's as easy. Then I export it out of Screenflow, and it's added, right?